We got a dead cow, and this is gonna be for the dogs later. We got Paul on the fucking forklift tractor. Oh my goodness. Fucking hell, bro. What have you done? Okay, so me and Paul decided to stop by a good friends, Nelly and Pierre. Pretty good people. They live on this beautiful farm and they train race horses. So we're gonna check that out, see what a couple of the daily routines like. And yeah, let's get to it. He loves it.
Yeah, yeah, this one plays with the water, it's funny. He's a race horse, but he's retired now.
Yeah.
And he's just like for people to ride, pleasure riding.
You got too fat, Dougie. I don't want to be anywhere in the vicinity of kicking. Fuck that. Be free, Dougie.
Alright, so you can grab a wheelbarrow and just pick the poos that's here.
Not a very flattering job, but okay.
So you want to grab this wheelbarrow, just go along the fence, empty it,
Yeah.
and then you just
Keep
pick
going.
up the poo on those two boxes,
Yeah.
and then we'll try and find a nicer job for you.
Hopefully it is nicer.
I thought one was coming, like it would have been nicer if...
Oh, he just was here. I just seen him.
Oh yeah, he is?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, if you're two people, that's fine, it won't be so annoying.
Yeah.
What's your plan?
What's my plan?
Doing some work or cooking break here? You wanna give free a hand to clean the boxes, those two boxes?
Are you on shit duty?
Shit duty.
And...
Wonderful.
That's what you asked for, right?
He does exactly what I asked for, yeah.
And yeah, there's a bucket probably to clean the... Oh no, forget about that.
Sure, just
Get to it. And this motherfucker got the easy job.
I'm sure it's just not easy.
Yeah, probably wrong choice of word. What's up, horse? Yo, this is kind of fucked up. I don't even know what animal it is, but kind of fucked up. Jeez. I don't even know how I feel about that, man. That's crazy shit right there. Yo, what is that, bro? A cow? Fucking hell. Makes me not even want to have a burger again, hey. Yeah. Fucking shit.
Yeah, that's not the nicest part, but you know, you gotta go through that process if you wanna have a nice spare rib in your plate, right?
Fuck it. Just jeez. I've never seen that before.
Yeah?
Not like that. Fuck it.
And then they'll chop it up to bits. That's for the greyhounds though, for the dogs.
Yeah, that's crazy. Fuck yeah. Good man. I heard that this is for the greyhounds, yeah?
Yeah. Barbecue or not.
Yeah, fuck yeah. That's crazy. Real shit. So what are we up to right now?
Trying to feed horses.
Fuck yeah.
Attempting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then over that side, to complicate things, there's the laneway,
Yeah.
right? So the 3 paddocks on this end can have 2 biscuits each
Okay.
on that side of
And
the lane.
the,
And the end one, don't worry about it.
the very end one.
Yeah, so there's 2 horses in there.
Yeah.
They share the last 2. There's 2 horses in there, just they're gonna move.
So 2. Did you say
Yep,
2?
so
and
2, 2, 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
The feeding of horses. Straight. And it's just 2.
Yeah.
So as I was explaining to Paul, we teach them everything with the halter when the babies. So we steer them with the halters for the first 2 rides, which that's the third one. And then the goal is to transit to go from the halter to the bridle. But the bit that's in the mouth, it's annoying them a lot, so you've got to be slow and teach them step by step.
And how long does it take to like get them to like know what to do?
No properly. Like to have some steering. Can be a couple of days or a week.
Yeah.
But then it can take years to teach them more. Like you can teach them everything through your legs and the mouth and your right. And depends the level you want to reach.
Okay. Madness. That's dedication though, how you mean? It is the murder weapon. Look at that shit. That's deadly. They're using the fucking Makita to solve cows there. That's how the story goes. The cleaning of hooves. Again, I wasn't recording last time.
Manicure, manicure.
And they said that they do this every 6 weeks. Yeah. That's crazy. There's actually like actual nails in there.
Yeah, the shoelaces.
Well, there's no.
Right? Yeah, that's insane. I would have swore that would have hurt.
Yeah.
Real shit.
Oh, and they let you know if something does, don't worry. Like.
Yeah, if they could feel it, they let you know.
And when the process is done, started out looking like this. Now she got some fresh sneakers on. How
Fresh
you mean?
kicks.
Real shit.
Has, like the middle has got like, you know, live tissue in it and can hurt them, whereas the outside, so the outside's really hard, and then there's a line through the middle, which is where you put the nails,
Yeah.
and they've got a bevel on them so that they come out. And if you put them facing the wrong way, they'll go in. So you need to know what you're doing, which is why I don't do it.
Yeah. I wouldn't. I would not attempt this.
Yeah, have a look at the, where's your nails? The end one is the bevel part.
Yeah, that's
On the
crazy.
side, so
It's
it
like
goes
bevel,
in
so
the way.
that bevel then
Yeah.
bends out the foot as it goes in. Yeah.
Okay, so right now we got a dead cow, and this is gonna be for the dogs later. We got Paul on the fucking forklift tractor. Oh my goodness. Fucking hell, bro. What have you done? Jeez. I don't think I like burgers anymore, eh? Honestly. Fucking hell. Yeah. You poor beast. Ah, bro. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can't even use that for YouTube, eh? I don't know. I'll be fucking banned, eh?
Maybe not that far. So what we've got to do, we've got to drain it before we can do the rest of it, right? It just makes like the rest a little more pleasant because there would be blood everywhere.
I'm gonna have to have like a real deep meditation and thought. Because I might turn vegan after this. Nah, I'm lying.
Vegan, so.
Nah, I'm lying.
But this is a part of providing fresh meat bud, you know? Normally you do that with an axe.
Yeah?
But it's too much effort.
Oh. That probably makes it easier. Just craziness. Just skinning it right now, getting it ready for the hounds. How you mean? But still crazy. When you don't see this type of shit every day, man. Real shit. It would be mad easy to dispose of a body out here. You just chop it up and give it to the pig for real.
The old cow goes for the dog, or you gonna keep some?
This one, yeah, no, she won't be very good. When they've had a injury like that, they get a lot of the like stress hormones, like cortisol and stuff. Yeah, and it gets really like tough and it's not very nice. That's why you want to have like the human consumption stuff needs to be like low stress, like easygoing way to go. But yeah, if you stress them out, that means it's not very nice.
Yeah.
What am I doing, bro? Dude. This is not what I pictured my day was like, to be real.
Go and spend some nice time on the farm. Alright, that'll be.
I feel like murder. The real shit.
With mud on your head.
Fucking hell. The real shit. Yeah. Probably get taken down though. See what happens. Why?
Just along like that. Okay?
Yeah?
Yeah. Doing it. Like professional.
I feel like I'm disturbingly a little bit too good at it. I got dripped on, bro.
I know.
Oh, fuck. Don't know how I feel about it. Pretty good at it though. shit.
Run right over, pull it up. Makes it easier getting the head off.
Yeah,
Put the pressure on it.
So to de-skin the rest of it, he's running it over. Just wow. There's more than one way to skin a cow. Or a cow. Jeez! I will never forget this moment. Ever. So what they're saying is we gotta empty all the insides of the cow first, yeah? That's what we're about to do.
Busted it.
What? Oh.
Yeah. Oh, you meant to do it laying down, and I thought I did it okay, but I did not.
I used to forget that all the time.
Well, I did it, but I didn't go through it. You do not want to burst that open. And normally I run my hand up there, but it's too tight.
Yes, I see the pressure on it for real though.
Yeah. It happens when they bloat after they die.
Yeah.
When you're too slow.
Is that like the stomach and shit? Yeah.
He's done it.
No, I did. I cut a little. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Felt.
It was very different. Fuck yeah.
Is it taking a long
Oh,
time?
yeah, it was covered in mud when I was going blood every 2 months.
So your mom has to go.
Oh, that's
down.
fucked. I can see through its stomach and up into the air, into the ass. I can see the light coming from.
The light shining out of its eyes. Alright, you wanna
Huh.
go? That's what my insides look like. Yeah.
Bigger on the section we used to do at
We have a
school.
leak.
On front.
Oh no! We sprung a leak.
That's the liver, right? That big thing.
That's the liver, that's the spleen. That's the lungs. They've got a bunch of stomachs. That's a kidney, I think. Oh no, it's not. I didn't even see the kidneys come out. Not even kidneys come out.
Liver is good. I mean,
You want it?
Not right now, but
It's such a shame to see all those cows going through the property and they all used only for the dogs because they were all like sick cows or the dying cows, so they're rough as fuck.
yeah, this one you can see the right leg broken.
About to try riding a horse. How you mean? Fuck yeah. Is it cool if I do it barefoot? Or shoes?
Maybe put some shoes on in case she steps on you.
Oh.
That would hurt.
I can hold on to you.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yeah, yeah, well done. Look at that, like a pro. This could be crazy.
Thank you. Jeez, bro.
And then just relax. And just,
Yeah, Nelly was telling me how to turn them and stuff, but I
yeah.
probably don't know.
Yeah. Just like relax your thighs and knees out. Just
Feel the vibe.
just let your body relax.
I just picture like the Western movie. I just want to be like, ha!
Yeah.
Probably not a good idea though.
I don't know, because she's not gonna stop.
No.